Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to swipe up and close and change your navigation bar, the bottom one on your Samsung or Android phone like this, so I'm going to tell you here how you can do that. It's very easy. This makes my life easier. Usually the Samsung comes with the standard like bars, so you can even swipe left and right to go back and forward. So to do that, we have to close all the apps as well, like that way. So you have to go settings. You can go swipe down and click on the top right corner as well. To go in setting, you have to search here navigation NAV. As you can see, it showed up navigation bar. Click on this and now it will open all this window. So here you can change your dark to light as well, the theme you want. So couple of options here: motion, smoothness, and if you go all the way down, you will see navigation bar. Open that. Here it will showing you buttons and swipe up gesture. As you can see now, this comes with like a standard Samsung, which people like, to be honest, but I don't like. I want to swipe up. Even on the buttons we can select which way we want to use that. It's totally up to you guys. But if you want to do swipe up, so make sure to select swipe gesture and then you can swipe up and close. So there are options you can do, select according to your need and how you like. So I like the basic one. There are 3 options as well, 3 bars. I like the main one, so I'll leave it that one. Okay, you can swipe right to go back. So to do a helping bar edge panel on a right side, there's a button for that. If you want shortcuts or easy access, you can turn that on for your edge panel. And I hope you like this video, and it's very simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you.